Okay, we're going to move into our sort of final session of the day. This one is called Creative Tactics. Amazing. We're going to be thinking about, who are the next wave of creative companies building valuable businesses based on these new technologies that we've been talking about all of this morning and yesterday afternoon as well. How can they balance social, cultural and environmental values with economic value, kind of building upon what these guys were saying here about markets. This session is going to showcase near future products and services that are currently utilising AI. So we've got 4 presentations. We're going to kick off with the first one from Vishal Kumar, CEO of Photogram.ai, a computational photography startup building AI-accelerated hardware and software for modern photography. Vishal is a cultural data scientist. He was the lead data scientist for the London Borough of Culture in 2019. He's a member of the Museum AI Network and the Cities of Culture Network, and he previously worked at Sotheby's Auction House as the company's first ever data scientist. What an intriguing job role. Please join me in welcoming Vishal to the stage.
Imagine if a DSLR and a smartphone had a baby. Today, I'm going to present the Alice camera, which we're developing at Photogram. There are 2 huge trends happening in photography at the moment. The first is that digital photography is absolutely booming. Every day, 100 million images and videos are uploaded onto Instagram, and 2 billion videos watched on YouTube. The second major trend is the collapse of professional camera sales. In 2010, the same year Instagram was founded, over 120 million interchangeable lens cameras were sold worldwide, according to data from CIPA. But by the end of 2018, that number had dropped to just 20 million. This decline has come at the same time as the rise of the smartphone as a ubiquitous imaging device. The problem we're trying to address is that the DSLR is just not suitable for modern photography. We surveyed over 500 photographers of all abilities, and we learned that DSLRs for them are heavy and clunky. They're mostly an offline device without access to cellular internet. They have no concept of an app store. The user interface is really antiquated and hard to navigate, and they're not optimized for doing computational processing. But for the people that we spoke to, the DSLR is still superior to a smartphone in 2 regards. The first is that it has a professional-grade and large imaging sensor, which can take higher quality images. And the second is that it has an interchangeable lens system, which means that it can attract better quality light through the lens. We believe that there is significant opportunity to disrupt, revive, and revolutionize the digital camera industry by bringing together the best aspects of smartphones and DSLRs into a new, innovative product that fits and addresses a dire problem in the market today. The use of on-camera AI for photography opens up a wealth of new creative possibilities for photographers of all abilities. For example, it can understand what the user is attempting to photograph and determine the best exposure settings for that situation. It can compensate for difficult lighting conditions, allowing images to be captured which would not otherwise be possible on a traditional camera. It can also increase the resolution of a photograph beyond the physical capabilities of the optical system. And there are many other features that I could talk about. Our target customer are the 40 million content creators worldwide that are income generating as a result of the rise of social media. There are still 20 million interchangeable lens cameras that are sold worldwide every year for an average price of £1,000. That's an immediate addressable market of $20 billion. But according to Zion Research, the market for digital photography and photographic services more broadly is estimated to reach $100 billion by the end of 2021. We believe that artificial intelligence and computational photography has the potential to fundamentally change the photographic industry and art form to the same extent to when digital replaced film 20 years ago. We want to harness AI, and we want to drive the change and challenge the concept of a camera for the next century. So if a DSLR and a smartphone did have a baby, they would call it Alice. I met my co-founder Liam on the Entrepreneur First London 12 cohort this year. Liam has a PhD in technology for the media and arts, a master's in engineering, and he previously founded a company building computational hardware for the creative industries. Liam also did a 12-month enterprise fellowship at the Royal Academy of Engineering, and he has won Innovate UK grants in the past. I'm a cultural data scientist who has managed and brought machine learning and data visualization projects to the creative industries, and I regularly talk about AI and technology for creativity. Vic is our Chief Operating Officer, and he has had 4 years' experience in the banking sector and is financially qualified. Vic is crucial for the financial and business management of Photogram. We're working with several partners at the moment, and we're currently incubated at UCL Innovation and Enterprise, and we're part of the NVIDIA Inception program for AI startups. We're at the R&D stages of our product development at the moment, and we are fundraising to build a more substantial prototype to take to market. If you'd like to get involved, you can sign up on our website, or you can grab me afterwards for a chat. I'm just outside demoing the Alice camera. Thank you very much for listening.